How to delete Instagram account in another device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account in another device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are logged into Instagram and if you are also logged in other devices and then you would like to log out from those devices, it's actually quite simple to log out from those. Now from the bottom right of the screen, just tap your profile icon to come to your profile page. Then from the top right, tap the three lines option, then just go to this option right here known as account center and then just tap on it. Once you tap on account center here, you should be able to see all this information, where what you can do is simply go to the option called password and security. One way you can delete all of the other accounts from your device, from your account, is if you just try to change your password. So when you change your password, everyone who is logged into your Instagram account will get automatically logged out. So if that's the option for you, you can check that. Or what you can do is you can see the devices where you are manually logged in, select your Instagram account here and then just remove those devices from here. So you can just go ahead and select a certain device that maybe you don't recognize for some reason, and then just tap on the logout option over here in order to successfully log out of those devices here. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then log out devices and delete them from your Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.